Hi, everybody. My name is Laura Garcia, and I oversee employer relations in the Emory Career Center. So today we're going to talk about how you can create a stellar career fair pitch. To get us started, let's walk through a model of how you can structure your introductions. First, you'll introduce yourself, so your name, your major, and your class year. Next, touch on your background, so student involvement, internships, part-time work, technical skills, or perhaps coursework. The key is to bring up relevant aspects of your background in your introduction. Lastly, end strong. Say something like, I'm excited to learn more about blank company and position. This is an excellent way to show your preparation and to show who you're talking to and your knowledge about the organization. So here's what this would look like in real time. So the student introduces themselves saying, hello, I'm Jeremy Hines. The employer responds back, hi, Jeremy, I'm Paulina, nice to meet you. Next, you go into your launch, your pitch. So he says, it's nice to meet you too. To share more about my background, I'm a junior studying anthropology with a minor in French. Outside of school, I work part-time at Ace Hardware, stocking shelves, helping with the cash register, and assisting customers. I also oversee communications for the Emory Explorers Club, which has helped me to hone my written communication and promotional skills. These experiences have confirmed my interest in marketing, and when I was researching more about Newell Rubbermaid, I noticed you have a brand marketing internship role open. I would love to hear more about the position and what you're seeking from a candidate in this role. This is an excellent example of how they touched on a couple of different aspects of their background, from student involvement to part-time work, and made it relevant to the employer they were speaking with. So a couple final tips. Be sure that you dress nicely. So from here up, I look pretty professional, but if I accidentally stood up during the conversation, you would see my graphic tee. So make sure that you're dressed fully professional and camera ready. Think about your background. So try to find a place with nothing that's too distracting behind you to make sure that they're able to, focus on the conversation. And do, of course, try to find a quiet place if at all possible. So best of luck with your upcoming career conversations and hope you do well. Bye.